For making these earrings, take a charm like this with loops. Insert the hook in the first loop followed by slip stitch in that, and then do a chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. Single crochet in the first loop followed by chain 1, and in the same way do 1 single crochet followed by chain 1 in each and every loop. At the end, cut the yarn, and in the above loop do a slip stitch followed by chain 11, and then slip stitch in the other loop followed by chain 1, cut the yarn. Take another yarn, slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 2, and in the same stitch do a cluster of 2 double crochet stitches. Then we will do a chain 2 after that, and then slip stitch in the next chain 1 space followed by chain 2, and then a cluster of 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat this pattern till the end. Slip stitch in the last stitch followed by chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, attach the earring hooks. Making this earrings, take this charm. In the first loop do a slip stitch followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch, and then in the same loop do 1 single crochet, and then in the space between 2 loops do chain 1s and repeat it for the first 3 loops. After that do chain 3. In the mid loop do 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 more single crochet followed by chain 3, and repeat the pattern in reverse order, and at the end chain 1, cut the yarn. Take another yarn, slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 2, and in the same stitch do 1 double crochet stitch. After that do a chain 2, slip stitch in the chain 1 space, make 4 such petals till you reach the central portion, and then in the mid chain 2 space do a double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet, and then again chain 2 and slip stitch in the next chain 3 space, and repeat the pattern in reverse order, and then chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, attach the earring hook. Making these earrings, take the embroidery floss, make a magic circle with it, do a chain 2, then in the magic circle do a total of 15 double crochet stitches and complete this round. Then slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch followed by chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the white colored embroidery floss, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. In the same stitch do 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch do 2 single crochets, and repeat this pattern till the end. Slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch followed by chain 1, cut the yarn. And now take green colored embroidery floss and slip stitch in the first stitch followed by chain 1. In the same stitch do 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the following stitch do 2 single crochets. Repeat this pattern till the end, and slip stitch in the first single crochet followed by chain 1, cut the yarn, and weave in the loose ends. Stick black colored beads in the center portion in this manner for the seeds of the water. Making these earrings, take the hoop, take the embroidery floss, make a slip knot, insert the hook in it, then slip stitch around the metallic hoop in this manner followed by chain 1 to secure the slip stitch. Do a total of 10 single crochets around the metallic hoop in this way, then do a chain 1, turn your work and start doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. At the end of the row do a chain 1 and turn your work and start doing 1 single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round. Repeat it for as many number of rows as you want till you reach the other end of the hoop, and do single crochet in each and every stitch of the last round taking the hoop. Okay, then at the end do a chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, and then we will take another embroidery floss and tie a knot at the center portion forming a bow. We will wrap the extra portion of the embroidery floss around the center portion using a fabric glue, weave in the loose ends, and earrings are ready. For making these earrings, take the embroidery floss, make a magic circle with it, then do total 12 single crochets in the magic circle. At the end, slip stitch in the first single crochet followed by chain 1, and in the first single crochet of the last round do 1 single crochet followed by chain 6. Then skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch do 1 single crochet and repeat it till you have a total of 6 petals. At the end, do a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round followed by chain 1. In the first petal do a total of 3 single crochets, then 1 single crochet followed by chain 3 picot, and then again in the same petal do 3 more single crochets, and repeat this throughout the round in each and every petal. At the end, slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of the round followed by chain 1, cut the yarn, weave in the loose ends, attach the earring hooks.